Good morning. Wow, you're up early today. Is that coffee I smell?
Good morning. Yes, I've been up since 6 a.m. I decided to start my day a bit earlier to get some peace and quiet before the house gets noisy.
That's a great idea. I really struggle to wake up before 7:30. Did you already go for your morning run or are you skipping it today?
I already went. I did 5 kilometers around the park. The air was so fresh and cool. You should try joining me tomorrow.
Maybe next week. I'm still too sleepy. Right now, I just need a large cup of coffee and some breakfast. Is there any yogurt left in the fridge?
I think I finished the last one yesterday, sorry, but there are eggs and some whole grain bread. I can make us some toast if you want.
That would be lovely, thank you. I also need to check my emails before I hop in the shower. I have a very busy day at the office today.
Don't stress too much. Just take it one step at a time. Do you want some orange juice with your toast?
Yes, please. After breakfast, I need to spend 10 minutes meditating. It really helps me stay calm during long meetings.
I should start doing that too. Anyway, let's eat. We have about 20 minutes before we both need to leave.
Excuse me, is this seat taken? I think my ticket says seat 42, but I'm having trouble finding the numbers.
Oh, hello. No, this seat is free. Seat 42 is right here next to the window. You're in the right place.
Perfect, thank you. This suitcase is much heavier than I thought. Let me just put it in the overhead rack. There we go. Are you traveling far today? This train goes all the way to the coast, but it stops at a lot of small towns on the way.
I'm going to the very last stop. I'm visiting my parents for the weekend. It's been a while since I've seen them. What about you?
I'm getting off at the next station. I work in the city and I take this train every morning. It's much better than sitting in traffic for an hour.
I agree. I love traveling by train. You can actually relax, read a book, or just look at the scenery. Do you know if this train has a cafe car?
Yes, it's usually at the very front of the train. They have sandwiches, snacks, and pretty decent coffee.
That's good to know. I didn't have time for breakfast this morning. Oh, I think we're slowing down. Is this your stop already?
Yes, this is it. I have to go. Enjoy your trip and give my regards to the coast.
Thank you. Have a great day at work. Good afternoon. I'd like to speak with someone about opening a new savings account. Is there a long wait?
Good afternoon. I can help you with that right now. Please come into my office and have a seat. My name is Mark.
Thank you, Mark. I'm looking for an account with a good interest rate. I'm planning to save up for a down payment on a house over the next 2 years.
That's a wonderful goal. We have a special home buyer savings plan with a 4.5% interest rate, but you have to deposit a minimum of $200 every month.
That sounds reasonable. Are there any fees for withdrawing money if I have an emergency?
With this specific account, you can make 2 free withdrawals per year. After that, there is a small $10 fee for each transaction.
Okay, that's fair. What documents do I need to provide to open the account today?
I'll need to see a valid form of ID, like your driver's license or passport, and a proof of address, such as a utility bill from the last 3 months.
I have my driver's license, but I don't have a physical utility bill. Can I show you a digital copy on my phone?
Yes, that's perfectly fine. I can just print it out from here. While I prepare the paperwork, would you like to hear about our credit card options?
Not today, thank you. I want to focus on my savings first. Let's stick to the bank account for now.
Understood. Let's get started with the application. Good morning, doctor. Thank you for seeing me. I've been having some strange pain in my right knee for about a week now.
Good morning. I'm sorry to hear that. Did you injure it while exercising, or did the pain start gradually?
It started after a long hike last Saturday. At first, it was just a bit stiff, but now it hurts every time I walk up the stairs.
I see. Let me take a look at it. Does it hurt when I press here on the side of the knee?
Ouch! Yes, right there. It feels quite sharp.
It looks a bit swollen too. I don't think it's a broken bone, but it could be a minor ligament strain. I want you to rest it for at least 3 days.
3 days of rest? I'm supposed to play in a local football match this Sunday. Is there any way I can still play?
I wouldn't recommend it. If you push yourself too hard now, you might cause a much more serious injury that could take months to heal.
I understand. What should I do to make it feel better in the meantime?
Use the RICE method: rest, ice, compression, and elevation. I'll also give you a prescription for some anti-inflammatory cream to apply twice a day.
Okay, I'll follow your advice. Should I come back to see you next week?
Only if the pain doesn't decrease after a week of rest. Please take it easy and let that knee heal properly.
Okay, I have the list. We need milk, bread, chicken, and some fresh vegetables for the salad. Where should we start?
Let's start in the produce section. The tomatoes and cucumbers looked really fresh when we walked in. We should also get some avocados if they're not too expensive.
Good idea. Oh, look at these organic apples. They're on sale today. 3 pounds for only $5.
Let's grab a bag. We also need some eggs. Do we have enough at home, or should I get a carton of 12?
Get the 12-pack. We use a lot of eggs for breakfast. Now for the meat, should we get a whole chicken or just some fillets?
Fillets are easier to cook, but a whole chicken is better value. Let's get the whole one. I can roast it for dinner tonight.
Perfect. Don't forget the milk. We need the low-fat version, not the full cream one.
Got it. Low-fat milk. Do we need anything from the bakery? Those cinnamon rolls smell amazing.
They do, but we're trying to eat healthy this week, remember? Let's just get a loaf of whole wheat bread and leave the sweets.
You're right. Okay, I think that's everything on the list. Let's head to the checkout before we find more things to buy.
Good plan. I'll go to the self-checkout. It's usually faster.
Excuse me, do you work here? I'm looking for a pair of dark blue jeans, but I can't find my size on the shelf.
Yes, I can help you. What size are you looking for?
I'm usually a 32 waist and 34 length. I see a 32-32, but it's a bit too short for me.
Let me check our stock in the back. Sometimes we have more sizes that haven't been put out yet. You're in luck. I found one last pair of 32-34.
Oh, that's great. Thank you. I'd also like to try on this light gray sweater. Where are the fitting rooms?
They are just past the shoe section on the left-hand side. There's a limit of 5 items at a time.
The jeans fit perfectly, but the sweater is a bit too tight in the shoulders. Do you have it in a large?
I'm afraid we are completely sold out of the gray ones in large. However, we have the same style in navy blue and forest green. Would you like to try one of those?
The navy blue sounds nice. I'll try that one. Oh, and are these shirts on sale? The sign says buy one, get one half price.
Yes, that applies to all our basic cotton shirts. If you buy 2, the cheaper one will be 50% off.
That's a good deal. I'll take 2 white shirts and the navy sweater.
Excellent. I'll meet you at the cash register whenever you're ready.
Whew, that was a tough set on the treadmill. How is your workout going?
It's going well. I'm focusing on upper body today. I just finished my shoulder presses. You look like you've been running for a long time.
Only 20 minutes, but I increased the incline today. My legs are definitely feeling it. Are you going to use the rowing machine next?
I was planning to, but someone is using it right now. I think I'll do some bicep curls instead. Do you know where the 10-kilogram dumbbells are?
I saw them over near the yoga mats earlier. Someone probably forgot to put them back on the rack.
Typical. I'll go find them. By the way, are you still coming to the spin class on Thursday evening?
I'm not sure yet. My schedule is quite full this week. Is it a good class?
It's intense, but the music is great and the instructor is very motivating. You should definitely try to make it.
I'll see how I feel on Wednesday night. If I have enough energy, I'll sign up. I'm going to go and do some stretching now.
Good idea. Stretching is the most important part. I'll see you later in the locker room.
Catch you later. Good afternoon. I'm looking for some resources on sustainable architecture. Could you point me in the right direction?
Certainly. That would be in our nonfiction section, specifically in the 700s under Art and Architecture. It's on the second floor.
Thank you. I'm also looking for a quiet place to study with my laptop. Is the Wi-Fi signal strong throughout the building?
The signal is best in the reading room at the back of the second floor. It's a silent zone, so please make sure your phone is on silent.
Understood. I prefer a silent environment anyway. How many books am I allowed to check out at one time?
You can check out up to 6 books. The loan period is 3 weeks, but you can renew them twice online if no one else has reserved them.
That's very convenient. What happens if I return a book late?
We charge 20 cents per day for each late book, but if you know you're going to be late, just give us a call or use the app to renew it.
I'll make sure to download the app then. One more thing. Do you have a printer that I can use?
Yes, we have a communal printer on the first floor. It's 10 cents per page for black and white and 50 cents for color. You'll need to put some credit on your library card first.
Perfect. Thank you for all your help.
You're very welcome. Enjoy your research.
This cafe is so cozy. I love the smell of fresh coffee and cinnamon. Let's find a table near the window.
Good idea. It's nice to watch the rain outside while we're warm and dry in here. What are you going to order?
I think I'll have a large latte and a slice of that lemon cake. It looks delicious. What about you?
I'll just have a black Americano and a chocolate croissant. I'm trying to avoid too much sugar, but I can't resist chocolate.
One large latte, one Americano, a slice of lemon cake, and a chocolate croissant, please.
So, how has your week been? You mentioned you had a big presentation at work on Tuesday.
Oh, it went really well. My boss was very happy with the results, and the client seemed impressed. I'm so relieved it's over.
That's fantastic news. You worked so hard on that project. You definitely deserve this cake.
Thanks. And what about your new hobby? Have you started those guitar lessons yet?
I had my first lesson on Monday. It was much harder than I expected. My fingers are still a bit sore from pressing on the strings.
Don't give up. Everyone says the first few weeks are the hardest. You'll be playing songs in no time.
I hope so. Anyway, let's enjoy our coffee.
So, are we still planning to go to the mountains this weekend? The weather forecast looks perfect. Clear skies and no wind.
Yes, I'd love to go. I really need some fresh air. Should we leave on Friday evening or Saturday morning?
If we leave on Friday at 6 p.m., we can be at the cabin by 9 and have a full day of hiking on Saturday. What do you think?
That's a better plan. I'll pack some sandwiches and snacks for the drive. Who is going to drive, you or me?
I can drive, but your car is much more comfortable for long trips. How about I drive your car?
Deal. I'll make sure the gas tank is full. Have you booked the cabin yet, or should I do that now?
I already booked it. It's the same one we stayed in last year. It has a beautiful view of the lake. Oh, I love that place. It was so quiet and peaceful. Do we need to bring our own sleeping bags, or do they provide sheets?
They provide sheets and towels, so we just need to bring our clothes and some food for the barbecue on Saturday night.
Perfect. I'll buy some steaks and vegetables on Thursday. I'm so excited.
Me too. It's going to be a great weekend.